Hello everyone, my name is Sami Awoyemi. Welcome to Earning Dollars. In today's video, I'm going to tell you selling airtime to people and selling data to people by any commission from this app. This app is called Opay. But so when you install this app, let me show you. Then this is the app Opay. You must have registered with them online through just your number. Then this you can see. I want to cancel this. So this is my balance, and I want to tell you how you can send airtime to people and you can buy data for people. So when you can turn this to a business that if you buy for them, you are going to earn a commission, and if you buy data for them, you are going to earn a commission, and through that commission you are going to be earning your money online. So that is what that POS are doing, so they can earn a commission through them and you can refer and earn for them. So I want to buy a airtime. You can see. So I'm going to erase this and post the number that I want to buy for. You can see this is the number that I want to buy airtime for. I'm going to import the figure that I want to buy. So I want to buy an airtime of 4,000 to this SIM card. I'm going to pay now. You can see this is cashback 14.97. So in my balance, this is 4,000. You can see pay. You can see bonus to earn 240 cashback. You can see I'm going to earn 240 cashback. Pay. Then I'm going to input my pin. Then they have been processed. You can see 4,000. You can see here. You can see my money has been sent, so you can see that done. Then I'm going to fill that cashback. You can see. Then I'm going to click reward here. You can see cashback. Congrats. You can see glow year time completed. So got it. Then you can see 254. Then let me go and see if it has add up. Yes, can use this money to buy airtime for people. Or you can even send this to people. So that is what you can do with this app. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to Earning Dollars. I'm going to see you in my next video.